Alright guys, well, it's one job down, get the lawn mowed, all that good stuff. Now I'm gonna go back down to the house and grab the 6610. I gotta come up here and push the manure up and do a few things back here, brush hog, all that good stuff, get that mowed down. I don't know, this might be the last time I ever do it. Never know. So we gotta get it cleaned up before winter and see what happens next year. Update on the winter show pig. She's doing all right. She's been sick for the last couple weeks, so we've been treating her. But see how she does. You can tell she's still not 100%. But we've been treating her, so hopefully here in the next couple days it will get better. And we can go to these couple shows here in October, November, December. Alright guys, well I'm going to go down at the farm and grab the 6610 Ford, bring it up here and see what I can get done. Alright, well, we got all that brush hogged. Actually, I didn't get it all done. I wanted to do a little bit more over there. But I hit like a rubber mat and it tore the shear pin out of the brush hog, so I'll have to fix that and come back up here later on. But we are starting to get a pretty good pile of pig manure. So I'm going to have to bring both tractors, one with the manure spreader up here, and get that spread. I mean, we got plenty of land to spread it on. But back in there behind that is where the hay field is, and we brush hogged all that. So the deer will they'll tear up all that grass, that loose grass that's in there. But we are about 2 weeks out from deer season. Hopefully maybe next weekend I will get to getting back here and changing my deer stand, moving it up a little bit further to where I want it to. But we'll see. I know tomorrow or next weekend I gotta move camper. It's homecoming for the girls. There's a lot going on next weekend, so we'll see what happens. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next one.